Greetings of the day, dear students. Let's start or continue our chapter number 1, Food and its Sources, in continuation with NCRT. Now, let's discuss about the seeds. The seeds grow in the form of embryo, and this can be identified as the roots start growing from the seeds. Now, you might think how. So, taking sprout seeds and covering with them with a wet cloth for a few days leads to the growth of roots. This states that they are capable of growing into the plants. Just like animals need food to grow, plants in same way require food for their growth. And that's why we provide them some nutrients. Now let's see apiculture. Now what is apiculture? So in order to get honey on a large scale, we perform a process which is commonly referred to as apiculture. It is a process of rearing of honeybees on a very large scale to obtain honey, and it is also a part of farming, and hence it can either be done in the cages or in open farm. Hence we get honey because of the apiculture performed by farmers. Conditions required for apiculture are: there should be plenty of nectar-rich flowers where the honeybees can collect the nectar and store in the beehive. Now, let's discuss about eating habits of animals. Students, on the basis of the food that animals eat, we have categorized them under 5 major types. First is the herbivore. These are those animals that eat only plant and the parts of it, like cow, horse, goat. The second comes the carnivore, which eat flesh of other animals, and these are lion and tiger, which have the sharp canines. And the third one is the omnivores, which eat both plants and animals, which include us, crow, bear, etc. The fourth is a scavenger, which eat dead and decaying matter, example vulture, hyena, etc. And the last one is the decomposers. Those are the organisms which are microscopic in nature, means which can be seen by microscope, and that feed on the dead bodies and in turn provide nutrients to the soil. And the example is the mushroom and worms. You might have seen that these all the small microorganisms grow on the dead and decaying matter, and within a few days the dead and decaying matter decompose. It is all because of these mushrooms and worms. Hence the scavenger and decomposers are called sweepers of the forest, as they help in cleaning the jungle. That's all for the day. Thank you and have a nice day.